Aside from providing awesome sound, Soundcore's new AeroFits are all about maximum comfort and a snug and secure fit. Putting them on is quick and easy, the materials are soft and skin friendly, and even wearing them for a long time will not create any issues or pressure points. And best of all, you won't lose them even when you move in a extreme, harsh or spontaneous way, so they are perfect for any sorts of active sports, and thanks to the open design you will always have a perfect awareness of your surroundings. If you're looking for the ultimate open-ear headphone experience, we're talking ultra lightweight, super comfortable, a non-intrusive design, gentle skin-loving materials, and massive sound, then this is the video for you. Introducing the all-new AeroFit and AeroFit Pro open-ear headphones. The best open-ear headphones that I have ever tested with the all-new air conduction technology by Soundcore. They're specifically tailored for everyday use, EDC. They're super durable, long-lasting, great battery life, and they're especially amazing for indoor as well as outdoor sports scenarios like running, cycling, skiing, snowboarding, climbing, fitness, you name it. Great dust and wear resistance, and as always I will also give you a binaural sound test. So let's go. Got the new drip by Soundcore, the AeroFit and the AeroFit Pro. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will link the best deals for you, and now let's check it out. So here we have the boxes. The big one is the Pro version. We have this side, we have this side, this on top, this on the bottom, and lastly the back side. So let's open it up right here and down here. Then it will just slide out. Same here. And the last one. There we go. So there we go, right there with the quick start guides. And here we go. Let's start with this one. And down here we have the cable, the paperwork, and this one is empty. And here we have the Pro version. So we have the strap, the box, paperwork down here. Ah, this packaging is way nicer. There we go. And lastly the cable. So let's get straight to the accessories. Starting with the paperwork, these are just the safety notes and stuff like that. So we have for the regular version, the cable, and also for the Pro version, same cable right there, just regular USB-A to USB-C for charging the case, of course. Then we have the connector strap for the Pro version. Looks really cool. This side with the actual connectors, and you can easily adjust the length, just like that. Nice. And we of course also have the cases. But let's actually move on. Done with the unboxing, and let's get to my first impressions, and then of course to a close overview. So there we go. The Pro version has a opening mechanism, really cool, while on the regular one you need to open it up like that. So we have the cases. Material is the same, smooth touch, looks really nice. On the Pro version we have the USB-C port right there, while on the other version we have it on the back side. And the earbuds itself, ah yeah, the Pro version just looks like it has way more punch. Alright, let's take a close look. So once again, the cases, we have the left and right indicators in gray and red, and also the charging contacts. This one with the status LEDs down here, and this one has a nice opening mechanism and a status indicator, a status light right there. Charge port on the back, this one has a button. This one is just blank, and here we have all the small print on the bottom. So the Pro version looks really nice and refined. Moving on to the earbuds. First of all, let's remove these stickers that cover the charging contacts. 2 and 3 and 4, and there we go. Regular version, Pro version. So here we go side by side. Both look beautiful, really nice build quality, but again the Pro version looks like a beast in comparison. Bigger driver, massive sound, bigger battery, and that's the top side right there. From the side, from the other side, yes sir, looking dope. And the intricate details are lovely. This cover, for example, so nice. And inserting them is super easy. So we have the left one, magnetic of course, the right one, they won't fall out, and the Pros 1 and 2. Nice. Not bad, right? So let's check out the app and then of course test them. The app publisher is Anchor and it's the Soundcore app. So let's open it up. Of course, give it all the permissions and then create an account. And there we go. So let's add a device, give it all the permissions. Oh, there we go. There we go. AeroFit Pro. I thought I had to reinsert them, open it up again and close and reopen the case, but no. There we go, pair. So let's grab the right one, give it the OK, and they are super flexible and bendy, so we can just do this. Also the left one, actually I really don't have to bend it a lot. I can just slip it over and it's perfect. Feels really nice, even though I have glasses, as you can see, but there are no issue whatsoever. We have the wearing instructions, slide them on tightly. Then we have the control instructions. Oh, nice. And we can also use the neckband and it will snap in place. Really cool, like that. There is that. Really cool for easy removal. Tighten it up. Yo, that is really cool. So, boom, boom. Wow, that is really fast. Check this out. All right, back to the app. Okay, got it. And when I'm talking, everything just sounds the same. So I love this open air concept. We're fully charged. So up here, we can contact the support. And then we, of course, also have the settings. We have the sound mode. LDAC would be best. We have the volume balance. We have dual connections. We can enable that for 2 devices. I would recommend to turn it on. It's just awesome. Then we also have the auto power off. We can find the device that's probably loud. Okay. Just like that, we can find the device. Here we can also update the firmware. As you can see, we're up to date. That's great to see. Then, of course, we have the sound effects. Here we can choose between spatial audio. We have the fixed mode and the head tracking mode. And then we have the music and movie mode. And right here, we also have the music and movie mode. Then here we have the EQ. We can switch between podcast and also treble boost. But this Soundcore signature usually sounds the best. But we can, of course, also go for a custom EQ. And here we have the bands. 1, 2, 3, 8 different bands. And we can also save it, but that's fine with me. Let's go back to the default Soundcore signature. So we are ready for a sound test, and this is the app dashboard, by the way. So first of all, you will need headphones for this binaural sound test. High quality headphones would be best, then you will hear what I hear. And now when I do this, close your eyes and listen. You should have heard this moving around, and with that we are ready for an actual sound test. Oh, and I forgot to show you the controls. So on the left one, with a single press we can downregulate the volume and double press next. And on the right one, with a single press we can upregulate the volume, and with a double press we have play and pause, and we can of course also change that. Check it out, really cool. So here we have my favorite song as always, and let's just listen to it. Very clean and crisp, so let's skip forward to the bass section. So there we go. Oh, nice. These punching kick drum bass sounds, they sound awesome. So this bass up technology is definitely doing a great job. It sounds really nice. And the awareness, it's awesome. Love it. So even with glasses, with these microphones in my ears, wearing them is still really dope and a non-issue. So let's remove that once more. So let's put that to the side. The wearing comfort really is on another level, and the neck strap is amazing. It's so cool. Just like that, just like that. I love it. And they also look really cool. I really like the design. Glasses, no problem. Nice, nice. So cool. Double press to stop. So yeah, good stuff. Now let's get to my conclusion. So to recap, first of all, we have the basic version, which is great already, but I would hands down recommend the Pro version. It is definitely worth the extra bucks, but for what you will get, this price point is amazing. So I personally would take the Pro version any day, since it will give you an even better sound thanks to the bigger driver in there. As you heard, they sound amazing and the hardware is top-notch, rated for over 5,000 bend cycles. I actually don't need to bend them at all while inserting them or like putting them on, but even if they would last 10 plus years easily. So great build quality to say the least. They look great, and as it is with the open ear design, you will have perfect awareness of your surroundings. It is a really cool trend lately, and I really like the development on this front. They're super comfy and the design is non-intrusive and minimalistic. They just look really nice. And they're also super soft and light. I never got any pressure points while wearing them. They are lovely to wear. When it gets to the sound, it is balanced and clear, strong bass, clear mids, crisp highs. We have a titanium coated dome, a directional acoustic system for less sound leakage and more bass, of course with the bass up technology built in, different color options. It is just dope. And also definitely drippy. Check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy it and I will see you soon.